Live today, let's understand why energy security isn't a thing of the past and why the Middle East and Russia remain central in 2025's global power game. Energy security means ensuring reliable, affordable, and sustainable access to the energy supplies that power our lives, from electricity to transport and industry. It covers three dimensions: supply reliability, asking if there will be fuel; affordability, questioning if people and businesses can pay for it; and resilience, assessing if the system can withstand shocks. The Middle East and Russia sit at the heart of global energy flows, producing vast quantities of oil and gas. They control key export routes and can strategically shift or cut off supply. For instance, Russia coordinates with OPEC Plus to influence oil output, a strategic move for both Moscow and the Gulf. Also, choke points like the Strait of Hormuz carry about a fifth of the world's oil, showing just how critical the Gulf remains. Recent developments show why energy security is shifting fast. Russia's war in Ukraine disrupted its export patterns and triggered global supply disruptions. Meanwhile, the Middle East is still volatile, with tensions around Iran-Israel, shipping in the Gulf, and US policy all playing into energy risks. For example, Turkey is shifting away from Russian and Iranian gas, signaling changes in long-standing energy alliances. And research shows that energy security isn't just fossil fuel supply anymore. Renewable supply chains, tech, rare earths are now part of the equation. For India, energy security means stable oil, gas, and power supplies to fuel growth. But import dependency makes India vulnerable to global shocks triggered in the Middle East or Russia. When supply tightens or prices spike, inflation rises, industry slows, and growth suffers. Globally, countries that rely on imports face leverage from producer states. At the same time, energy exporting states use supply control as strategic power tools. Russia, for instance, uses its exports to bolster its defense and global influence. In a nutshell, disruptions in the Middle East or Russia ripple around the world, affecting your fuel pump, your power bill, and your economy. If you want more deep dives into complex world issues, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.